Who wants to learn how to make this beautiful spring wreath? Well, we're going to show you how to do it for under $20.
Gals in God's grace.
Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. We are so glad you've taken the time to join us today. If you are new, please consider subscribing and becoming a part of our YouTube journey. You do not want to miss our crazy antics and our colorful ideas.
Ooh, that was a good intro, Amber.
So we're starting with this hula hoop that we picked up at the dollar store for, guess how much?
$1.
Trish!
Hey, dollar store, $1. Okay, I'm not that blonde, Amber.
The first thing we had to do was get this massive sticker off of the hula hoop. I used scissors to create a scoring line and try and peel this off. Now, Trish, you told me that it was a lot easier for you to
I
get
think
the
I
sticker
got
off.
it done in about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. It was like boom, bada doom, done.
Well, it took me 10 minutes.
Well, Amber, that's okay. I mean, we both still got the job done, so that's okay.
You're right. It doesn't matter. Anyway, make sure you peel the sticker off because we are going to paint this thing. And the sticker created these bubbles and ripples.
Yeah, we want a smooth surface for sure.
Right, we wanted a smooth surface. So I finally got the hang of it and I was on a roll peeling the sticker off.
Ooh, and you're doing good. Look at you go. Hey, from what I can see, it looks like you're getting it done in like 2 minutes.
Because it looks like 2 minutes in this sped up version.
That's
Don't you
right.
wish life was like this?
Yep. Well, you almost got it done. Oh, there you go. Now you got it off really fast because you got the end, which is kind of what I did. I don't know. I think I just...
You just caught your groove a lot more quickly than I did.
I did. All right. That last little piece is coming off.
So Trish gave me this great paint, this rust-oleum metallic paint. It's kind of, it's actually more rose gold in person. It looks kind of brownish here.
Really pretty.
It is very pretty. And so I used that to paint the hula hoop. I took it out to my back patio. I put down a sheet to protect my brick walkway area. I sprayed it. I did probably just 2 coats, I think. Yeah, I just did 2 coats. And I did not paint the back of the hula hoop because nobody's ever gonna see that part.
Oh, guess what? I painted the back.
You did?
I did, really. And still no one's ever gonna see it.
Well, I didn't want to mess up the painting job, so I just left it alone. Because, you know, I didn't want to flip it over and then mess up the paint.
I messed up the paint. If you go and look at my wreath, you'll see the imperfections on it because I flipped it over. So please definitely follow Amber's advice.
We got these eucalyptus leaves at Michael's. And how much did these cost, Trish? You picked these up for me.
The eucalyptus leaves and the flowers were like 14 something maybe.
Nice. These are some peony flowers, which I love. You guys know that. And then I got the glue sticks at the dollar store.
Oh my gosh,
they were $1.
Oh, $1, okay.
And then I also got some of the floral wire at the dollar store.
Hey, was that $1 too?
It was.
So you spent $3 at the dollar store for 3 items. Imagine that.
And I have 3 flowers here. So I'm going to use these 3 flowers as a centerpiece for the wreath.
So pretty.
I just laid it out so that the flowers would cover that little section there where the hula hoop is pieced together so you wouldn't see that. And then I started cutting the stems down to size. I just used a pair of needle nose pliers to cut through the wire in the stem. And by the way, Trish and I both made this wreath, but we made it separately and a little bit differently. So you're actually getting the Amber version and Trish is following along and she's gonna tell us how she did it differently.
Well, I actually am living a little vicariously through Amber right now because mine wasn't this organized. I did not lay everything down perfectly. It was rushed, unorganized. I kind of threw everything on and yeah, that's how
And guess
I
what?
roll.
It's still beautiful.
Well, you can't really go wrong on these. You just, wherever you place them, they're just beautiful. I did not glue mine. I only wired it.
You're getting the type A version here, and I did glue it. So I used the hot glue to place it onto the top of the hula hoop, and then I'm gonna use the wire to reinforce that to really hold it on tight. And it's really not going anywhere.
No, I think I would say that's the type A right way to do it, because I'm sure mine will fall off probably with the first wind that we have.
We do have some pretty strong winds here where
We
we
do.
live. I do have a screen door that covers my door, which helps protect it, but you definitely want it to be sturdy in the ones we have here.
That's right. So pretty, Amber. This is just, oh my gosh. And especially the hula hoop, that whole idea, it's very elegant looking.
Well, I can't say it's an original idea. I got this off of Pinterest. Not the directions so much, just the look.
Right.
And then I just kind of decided how I was going to recreate the look.
Wait, did you actually, was that your own design on doing the hula hoop, or did you see somebody else?
No, I saw hula hoop wreaths on Pinterest.
Oh, okay.
And then I just said, oh, that's really cute. And I just decided to make it myself.
Gosh, Amber, you're so amazing.
So now I'm just putting eucalyptus going the other direction.
Absolutely beautiful.
Thank you, Trish.
I should probably have done that on my side too. Mine's just one-sided. It'll probably lop to the side, and we'll have to try to reinforce it another way on the door, but that's just kind of how I roll.
Yours is beautiful too. You know what? I get so nitpicky about the little details, and Trish just throws together these beautiful masterpieces without hardly any effort at all. She's just a natural. To get these flowers to stick, I just turned everything upside down and smothered the whole backside with glue.
Ooh, good idea.
Yeah, those little stems were melting. It wasn't working very well, so
oh, goodness.
That seemed to be a good solution. And here, what I'm doing is I'm covering the little bits of wire that are showing with the leaves that are next to it.
Okay, I'm really impressed. I didn't do that at all. I think I did a little bit of wiring and then a little bit more wiring and some stuffing, and there you go. Boom, it was done.
Oh, and there you go. Boom, this one's done.
Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful.
Thank you, Trish.
You're welcome.
Hey, and guys, don't worry. You're going to be able to see Trish's wreath in an upcoming video.
That's right. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful it looks on your front door.
Well, that's not my front door, but...
Oh, it wasn't?
No. That was my closet door. It was just a little, here it is.
That's perfect. Well, until next time, thank you so much for watching, and
bye.
Bye.